So the question is, check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. So what is the basic concept? We know that if an equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, then only it is a quadratic equation. So what we have to do, for each part we have to simplify the given equations, and if they are in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then only they are quadratic equation. So first part of the question is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 times x minus 3. Okay, so if we simplify, then first we have to apply a plus b whole square here. We know that a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x plus 1 whole square is now x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to, if we open this bracket, then 2 into x, 2x minus 6, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So it means x square plus 2x minus 2x, this 2x comes to LHS, plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. This implies 2x minus 2x gets cancelled and x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So we can say yes, it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Though in this coefficient of x is 0, there is no term of x, but there is no problem. Coefficient of x square must be there. A cannot be equal to 0. So we can say this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus 0. Hence it is a quadratic equation. So in first part of question, it is a quadratic equation. Now moving to second part. Second part is x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 times 3 minus x. So on simplification, it will be x square minus 2x minus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, minus 2 into minus x is plus 2x. So now this implies that x square minus 2x minus 2x. 2x comes to LHS, it will be minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. It means it is x square minus 2x can be written as minus 4x. So x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. This equation is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. There is a term of x square. Hence it is a quadratic equation. So second part is also a quadratic equation. Now moving to third part. Third part is x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So on both the side we have to multiply the brackets. So this implies x into x is x square, then x into 1 is x, minus 2 into x minus 2x, then minus 2 into 1 it is minus 2 is equal to x into x, x square, x into 3, 3x, then minus 1 into x, minus x, and minus 1 into 3, minus 3. So in LHS it is x square, x minus 2x is minus x, minus 2 is equal to x square, 3x minus x is 2x minus 3. So x square and x square gets cancelled. Now it will be minus x minus 2x minus 2 plus 3 equal to 0. So simplified form of this equation is minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, or we can write it as, or we can write it as 3x minus 1 equal to 0. But we can see that this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, because coefficient of x square is not there. So basically this is an example of linear equation, 3x minus 1. It is a linear equation. Hence it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Now moving to fourth part of it. It is x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. Okay. So in LHS we have to multiply these two brackets. So x into x, it is 2x square, x into 1, x, then minus 3 into 2x, minus 6x, minus 3 into 1, minus 3. In RHS, x into x, x square, x into 5, 5x. So now this is 2x square minus x square. X minus 6x is minus 5x. And this 5x comes from RHS, it is also minus 5x. This minus 3 as it is equal to 0. So means it is 2x square minus x square is x square minus 5x minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is simplified form of given equation, and yes, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where a is 1, b minus 10 and c is minus 3. Hence it is a quadratic equation. So in fourth part it is a quadratic equation. Now moving to fifth part of the question, and fifth part is 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. So again we have to multiply the brackets. So 2x into x, it is 2x square, 2x into minus 3, minus 6x, minus 1 into x, minus 1 into minus 3 is 3. So x into x, x square, x into minus 1, minus x, 5 into x, 5x, 5 into minus 1, it is minus 5. So on simplification we can write 2x square, x square comes from RHS, it will be minus x square, minus 6x minus x is minus 7x, here it is minus x plus 5x, 4x, and in LHS it will be minus 4x, plus 3 minus 5, here it is plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus x square is x square, minus 7x minus 4x is minus 11x, 3 plus 5 is 8. So yes, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Hence it is a quadratic equation. So fifth part is a quadratic equation. Now moving to sixth part of the question. It is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So in this part LHS is already in simplified form, x square plus 3x plus 1. All we have to do, just expand x minus 2 whole square by the help of a minus b whole square. And what is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So we are going to apply here. So it is x square minus 4x plus 4. Now this x square and x square gets cancelled, or we can write x square minus x square here. So it is 3x minus 4x will become plus 4x in RHS, and plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. So x square minus x square gets cancelled. 3x plus 4x is 7x. 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So it is 7x minus 5 is equal to 0. So again, this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a coefficient of x square is not there, means x square term is not there. So it is basically a linear equation. Hence, it is not a quadratic equation. So sixth part is not a quadratic equation. Now moving to seventh part of the question. Initially it seems that it is a cubic, because when we expand x plus 2 whole cube, a term of cube x cube will be there, is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. But let us solve, let us simplify. X plus 2 whole cube, so we have to expand with the help of a plus b whole cube formula. And what is a plus b whole cube? It is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So it will be x cube plus 2 cube plus 3a square, means 3x square into b, that is 2, plus 3a means 3 into x into b square, that is 2 square, equal to, if we multiply this, 2x into x square minus 1, so it will be 2x into x square, 2x cube, and 2x into minus 1, it is minus 2x. So x cube term, we have one term of x cube in LHS and one in RHS, so it will be x cube minus 2x cube. Now coefficient of x square, 3 into 2, this is 6x square, and in RHS there is no term of x square. Now coefficient of x means term of x, 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 is 12x, and in RHS it is minus 2x, so it will be plus 2x in LHS. Now constant term, this is 2 cube 8 is equal to 0. So we can see x cube minus 2x cube is minus x cube plus 6x square, 12x plus 2x, it is x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now is this a quadratic equation? No, because 8 in LHS we can say it is third degree polynomial in LHS, means it is a cubic equation. It is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, because here we have the term of x cube also. Hence 8 is not a quadratic equation. So this was seventh part. Now moving to last part of the question. Eighth part, it is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. So in RHS, LHS is already in simplified form. RHS, it is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So we have to expand this with the help of formula of a minus b whole cube. So what is a minus b whole cube? A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So we have to use this formula to expand x minus 2 whole cube. So it will be overall x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Now a cube means x cube minus b cube, 2 cube, it is 8 minus 3a square b. So 3 into x square into b, b is 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. So it will be 6x square plus 3ab square. So 3 into a means x, b square, 2 square is 4, 4 into 3, 12. Overall it will be 12x. Now we can see this x cube and x cube term will get cancelled because it is x cube minus x cube in LHS. Now minus 4x square plus 6x square, because in RHS it is minus 6x square, so it will be plus 6x here square here. So 6x square minus 4x square, it is 2x square minus x minus 12x. 12x is there in RHS, it will be minus 12x in LHS. So minus x minus 12x is minus 13x. Now 1 plus 8 is 9 and this is equal to 0. So we can see that this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. There is a term of x square, hence it is a quadratic equation. So this is all about this question.